everybody, Danny here. Let's go ahead and put some greenery around the garden arch, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we are today. Glad you could join me. We're going to put some greenery in. Now, what I've got made up is I've got some greens made up, okay? This is a kind of a light yellow green. This is a medium green. This is just yellow and Prussian blue. And this is yellow, Prussian blue with a bit of black for the real dark stuff, okay? Because we need the dark stuff for the shadow. And this used to be my kitchen sponge, but now it is my foliage sponge. And we're just going to dip it into that paint, and we're just going to touch like this. Just touch. That's all. We're not twisting, we're not turning, we're just touching. And we're just coming right across, just like this with it. Okay, in the dark color. Like that. Okay. Just touching. Now we're going to come into that medium green color. And we're going to put that in, just like that. Look at how the bushes and the tree leaves and all of that stuff start showing up just by tapping a sponge, okay? Just like that, okay? And by golly, now if we come into the light stuff and do some tapping, now we've got highlights in there. See, look at there. Just like that. We need some more of the lighter stuff. Like that. And by golly, all of a sudden, our little old bridge wall thingy has a place to live. Okay, be with me tomorrow. And we'll start working down here and back there, okay? Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link. Let me know how we're doing in comments. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. Alrighty, there we go. We got greenery in. Try that 3 times in a row, quick. And tomorrow, we'll start working on the foreground. I'll see you here tomorrow, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.